Welcome to the Kovax instruction video of Maxcut. We will show you how to use our product and what the advantages are. This is how we remove a dent in a body shop. Let me take you to our test center, where Richard and William will show you how the Maxcut works.
Welcome at Kovax Europe. My name is Willem.
My name is Richard.
And today we will show you putty sanding at Kovax. We have three different solutions. One with paper sanding, one with film sanding. But today we will concentrate on our special patented product, Maxcut. Removement of putty and old layers. What is important in removing putty and old layers? We need to have an aggressive product and we need to have a durable product. And those two items are the main advantages of the Maxcut of Kovax. First we will remove old layers, and removing old layers you have one well-known problem. If you hit with your abrasive the metal, the disc, the grain is getting blunt. This problem is for a lot of abrasives a big problem, but not for Richard, not for Kovax. Please Richard, demonstrate.
Thank you, William.
What is the reason for this success of this product? Let me show you. We have an aggressive disc and you can hear, I think, and you can see that it's still a sharp disc. Richard can do this job for a long time. What is the reason for this aggressiveness of our Maxcut? If you realize that the grains we are using are on a scale from 1 till 10, where 10 is diamond, have a hardness of 9.8 on the scale of MOHS, which is very hard. And those grains are being used in Maxcut. That's one of the reasons. Another reason is that there is a very open structure. And this open structure we need to make a durable disc, because the open structure is removing the dust from the disc and is providing clogging of the disc. And clogging of the disc will give less durable disc. So, Richard will demonstrate also our durability of the Maxcut.
You can see absolutely no clogging of the Maxcut putty sanding. Important with manual sanding of Maxcut is to use it crosswise to avoid lines of cutting in your putty.
That's amazing, Richard.
Thank you, William.
It's very smooth, very uniform, but we cannot see dust. Is it possible for you to demonstrate this without the dust extraction, just to see how much putty it is removing?
Of course, no problem.
There you go.
Perfect.
Wonderful, wonderful. That's a lot of dust. And no clogging, even without dust extractions, because of the open structure of Maxcut. One of the advantages. The other advantage is the durability. And we started to demonstrate on the metal the hardness of our grains being used in this patented product. So, using Maxcut on putty and removing old layers will not give you any problem.
So it is.